I'm sticking to this intro right here. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. Here's the sticker here. It's still kind of green. Still got some flicks to it. Not brown or dead yet, but I'm gonna convert it into something else useful. So I'm gonna use this box to put it into. I'm gonna grab a cutting tool here. I'm gonna use this Mora that I've shown before. And, well, yeah. Now, the reason why I'm doing this will become apparent very, very shortly here as the video goes on here. Always cutting away from my body. Just using this box to gather it. It's time to head outdoors and help it grow. Sunflower that just sprouted. Wood shavings. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, if you don't know already, I'm mulching it. Cover the soil with it. Put it along the side. And now it's got some protection. As our world changes, we can adapt to our skill and knowledge to get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. And I'll see ya later. I'm rooting for ya.